Hello guys, it's me, Abir. Today I will show you app where you have to do mining and play quiz free. First of all, you will find the link in my video description. Just click the link and it will redirect you to the Play Store. Then click install. I already have the app, so I don't need to install it again. After finishing the installation, open the app and you will see options for signing up. Now sign up with Google and accept the terms and service policy. Now click at mining option, then click on tab. It will start automatically, but you can increase speed by tapping again and again. You can also update your hammer and coin limit by using coins. You can also earn from playing quizzes and from referring your friends. Now click on the wallet option. Then you can see that exchange option and you can exchange your coins into UHGT. Then UHGT into BSUD. 1 BSUD means $1. I will upload a withdrawal video soon. Hopefully, you have enjoyed the video. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and join our Telegram channel. If you face any problems, you can tell me on Telegram. The link is in the description. I will meet you with another new video. Till then, take care and goodbye.